Here's the painted fairing. Converts from half to full fairing. I assembled it to check if it really looks good. It does. It's a copy of the paint scheme is the same as the 500 triple by MV Agusta from the 60s. It really looks good. You can see that. I still have to change this part here. I'm going to put a side vents from both on both sides. It would look like something like this. I'm going to use louvers because louvers would emulate a vintage look for this bike. If you put something like that, this part here, there, a vent like that wouldn't look like what a louver would do here. The louver would really make this, would emulate the look of a vintage bike, or vintage cars has louvers. Even aircrafts has louvers. So we're going to put a vent because because this is a radiated motorcycle. It's a liquid cooled. It blows hot air through here and towards the rider, or towards me, you know, when I'm riding. So to avoid that, to get all that heat from the engine, we're going to put a vent here. We're going to dock this part here to dissipate some of the heat from the engine to the side through the vents. So that's it. That's what we're gonna do. As you can see, it really looks good. It looks exactly what I've painted here. That's an MV Agusta triple 500 painting. Well, it's more of a drawing written by Mike the Bike Haywood. So everything would be red. This would be red. The tank would be red. The frame would be red. The seat hump would be red. I will be removing this part, the rear part, the fenders and that, whenever we're using the full race look, the racer look. But if we're just gonna use the half fairing, I'm going to use this because it would look like a really classic cafe racer, you know, a vintage motorcycle. That's what we're trying to copy here. That's what we're trying to emulate. So there, that's going to be our build, our Kawasaki Ninja cafe racer build. So there, it really looks good. It's going to look great with that bike there. That's our shop signage. We're going to install this out front of my shop. Going to hang this. It's gonna there. It's gonna look like the sign for my shop there.